Need some nice weather for that. Looks like we'll probably get it at least for the next few hours.
Yeah, and I don't think Jason will be there. He was, I don't think he'll be there today, so just be careful. Just know that. Yeah, you're not going to find Jason Sadeko. Oh, you are going to be dry, though, here, Todd, as we go through at least the rest of today. That changes as we head into this week. The good news is, I think by the time we get to the end of this week and we get to actual trick-or-treating time for most kids and adults, it's going to be drier again here by the end of the week and end of the month. The rain time frame for rain here is coming up as we head towards Tuesday and then possibly into Wednesday morning. Temperature-wise this week, we're going to be a little bit cooler than average. Lots of days in the lower to middle 50s here for the remainder of October. Now, rainfall-wise, as we head into that Tuesday into Wednesday time frame, there's a good bet that a large swath of central and western Iowa is going to get, I would say, maybe closer to 1 inch, but we'll call the most likely range 1/2 inch to 1 inch. And then on the high end, there's going to be a few spots that probably will get 1.5 inches of rainfall here early this week. That's that kind of lighter blue color that covers much of the state. Tonight, just seeing some clouds here to our south, mainly across the southern part of Iowa. Those are coming up from a low pressure center that's down towards Missouri, but that's heading off to the east. That's leaving us behind. Our system coming towards Tuesday is this boundary, which is going to get help from another system off screen over the Pacific Northwest that'll push eastward here over the next couple of days. So that'll be the moisture that slowly moves our direction. So the rest of tonight, we're just going to deal with slowly increasing cloud cover from the south and the west. That's how we'll start tomorrow morning on your Monday. Still dry, just with a little bit grayer skies, especially if you're over in western parts of Iowa. And over that direction, you could maybe see an isolated shower or two, maybe during the afternoon hours, more likely as we head towards later on in the evening. This moisture that tries to come off the plains and into western Iowa is going to be fighting some dry air here, flowing off a high pressure over east or towards the Great Lakes. So that's why it'll take a little bit of some time. Now, as we head towards Tuesday morning now, so tomorrow dry, just some increase in cloud cover, not quite as warm as today. By Tuesday morning, showers starting to move in from the west, and then these will overspread western and into the middle parts of the state as we head through the morning and into the midday and through the afternoon hours. This particular model is a little slower than some other ones, so plan on at least cloudy and then at times a showery sort of Tuesday and a cool Tuesday as well, especially areas that get the rainfall first and have a rainier day for longer periods of time. Struggle to get to 50 degrees here out in western Iowa, more likely 50s as you head over to the east and you get a little bit of a drier day. So cool, damp, wet, gray sort of weather there much of Tuesday. Into the evening, that moisture gradually starts to go to the south as a low pressure center develops right over our head. We'll draw in some breezier conditions too, especially as we head towards Wednesday. Some northeast winds gusting at times about 25 miles per hour or so. So that wet period Tuesday night and Wednesday morning in southern Iowa, then will leave us with just some very seasonal, fairly dry weather as we head towards the end of the month. Highs in the 50s, overnight lows in the upper 30s. That's fairly normal or just a little bit cooler than that. And no really big rainfall possibilities after that Tuesday system. By the time we head towards the weekend, there's one little system that will come our direction out of the northwest. Right now, it doesn't look like anything significant, just a low chance of a sprinkle or a brief shower on Saturday and a few more clouds.